Hello, this is Cybergiant. Today I'm going to talk about At Home with Your PC. It's a step-by-step computer guide for computer confidence. It comes with like a total of over 10 CDs, and what they include are I'll show you what the CDs look like. Here it is. First one talks about noteworthy composing. You can compose beautiful music, perform it on your home computer for free. That's on the second CD. The third CD talks about Internet Explorer and templates, keyboard shortcuts for using F keys. On the first one, it talks about Type Master, which has a tutor for you. It can help you make typing touch perfect, and you can use it to collect family addresses, make it easy and accessible. On it also have one other part. And so, okay, that's it for that. I'll go talk about is what they include. All right, there's total 9 parts. First one